How to use Miramate nose and throat cold laser. Make sure the cover is on the laser heads. Clip it inside your nasal passage. It is recommended to putting into your nose before turning it on. Long press the on/off button to turn on or off the device. Press the time button to change treatment timer. Press the power button to decrease power. Press the power plus button to increase power. There are 3 levels of power. Short press the on/off button to start treatment. Short press the on/off button to pause. For pharyngitis treatment. You can tear the tape by hand. Stick the tap onto the back side of the laser patches. Put the patches on Ren Ying ST9 acupoints. Ren Ying acupoints are on both sides of the Adam's apple. How to charge the device. Plug in the charging cable or any Type-C USB cable, and charge the device with an 110-240V USB charger. How to clean the device? Spray some medical alcohol on a cloth or tissue, then use the wet cloth/tissue to clean the surface of the device. Do not spray alcohol on the surface directly.